there, how you guys doing? And welcome. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, 2:43 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and it's June 15th. And you guys, I'm bringing it to you again. What do I say? When I come to you, what am I bringing? Something you need to know or something you need to grow, okay? And once again, this falls into both categories. This is something I think you need to know, you want to know, and something you need to grow. When I talk about growing, I'm not talking about height wise or width wise, right? I'm talking about where the money reside, where the money reside. Now, you guys, I'm gonna show you how we do it in my household. So last time I kind of got in trouble with Facebook for, I think I put in the thing that, hey, you can make thousands of dollars, and they're like, no sensationalist claims, right? But if you selling pet rocks, and I'm dating myself here, but if you were selling pet rocks and you were really passionate about selling them, and you were selling hell of those pet rocks, and each of your pet rocks was $5, then you could probably make thousands of dollars selling pet rocks. Let's just be honest. Whatever you put your mind to, you will be successful at. And we always say what you feed grows. When I talk about feeding, any parent out there knows you feed your children, they grow. Trust me, we got 4 children, 5 children. We know 8 grandkids. You feed them, they grow. So what I'm going to say to you guys today is I'm talking about our reseller program. And if you put in the work, and I know some of y'all going to be like, oh, here we go. Yes, y'all. Yes, I'm talking about how y'all supposed to make money with this. This is how you make money in my household. Now, back in the day, a lot of people had Amazon affiliate links, and I just want to start with this. I'm not being bitter toward Amazon. I'm not being bitter, but can I just be transparent with y'all for a minute? So I got this thing, and I've shown y'all this before. Hold on. I got this thing, right? This thing right here. I got 2 of them. Praise the Lord. I know, look, y'all like, here we go again. So this is called a DJI Osmo Creator Combo. It come with this camera here, right? And this little microphone, right? Camera and microphone, okay? This was $799, right? Now, thanks to Trump, it's $1,000 because of tariffs, but I digress. And I heard it's on back order, okay? So, I got an affiliate link on Amazon, okay? My affiliate link on Amazon, I don't know what it is, but I know, confirmed. I had 15 people, because this is Super Bowl, as you guys don't know, I should go back. We have a streaming television network. We film people, we take people to Super Bowl Media Week, and when they come there, they film themselves getting filmed by CNN, ESPN, so they can do all their social media stuff and everything. So I said, y'all, get this camera. This is lightweight. Get this camera, get this camera, get this camera. Here is my affiliate link. So I have 15 people confirmed that bought the camera. 15 people. Now, this is before it was $1,000. It was $799 for the Creator Combo. You know how much money I got paid out in Amazon gift cards? Because they don't pay you cash. They give you gift cards. So you got to keep your money with Amazon. I got $78 for 15 people buying. Let's just go to the numbers because y'all know how I get. They even want to go to the numbers. Hear me playing. So I had $799 and 15 people bought it. So I generated $11,985 for Amazon in products. And from $11,985, they gave me $78. They gave me $78. Now, our referral system. We have a thing. Have you ever want to tell somebody, oh yeah, I work and tell, if you ever want to do this yourself, not tell somebody because you're not bragging, but if you ever wanted to sell like TV shows and like, hey, I want to sell TV shows and make money off this show or make money off this thing, I got you. We have a thing now, and I'm going to tell you guys, sign up to be a reseller because if there's concerts, if there are events, if there are products, there are services, and we are selling them, we put them in our reseller things so you can sell them and make some money. So the newest one here, you guys, let me show you right here. Sign up to join our reseller alliance right here. Scan the QR code, or you can go to this URL that's on the ticker right here, okay? Or you can, of course, scan the QR code, right here, right here. These both take you to the same place. But for a year, and I'm just going to share my screen here because I think this is that important. I think this is that important. And you guys, I'm gonna tell you something right now. When you're like, okay, old guy, what's David talking about? Y'all, I, I wish I could say it in the most sincere way possible that I'm sharing this because I truly believe that I hate when people say, I got mine, you better get yours. No, we need to help each other, okay? So look at this. This is our our program we're launching. It's called the Launch Code. It's $99 for the whole year, and that comes out y'all to $27 a day. I'm gonna let that sink in right there real quick. $27 a day. And what you get for that is you get 65 courses, a premium subscription network for the entire year, access to the Keys newsletter. You get 65 courses that you can use on everything and how to like make Audible books, how to work ChatGPT and make money, how to do coaching, how to make your own affiliate program. Have it's everything in here, you guys. Everything in here. I can't even say how many is in here. You get access to the mastermind community. You got an idea for a business. You need support. You want to know how to flesh it out. You want to bounce it off people that have already started making money in their businesses. Join the mastermind community. Normally at $69, guess what? It's included with your $99 a year. No joke. Templates and tools from the Digital Download Hub, our partner affiliate. Templates and tools to help you get started. Whether you are starting a business, have a business, you want templates and tools on how to be a better person, father, whatever, we got them. Okay, you get them. Members only discount on events and merchandise, whether it's concerts, whether it's events, I mean, all kind of stuff. You get that, then of course merchandise for all the different stuff you see on TV, on our network and stuff like that. You get it all for $99, $27 a day. Okay. So you get that. And then of course, if you just wanted to buy the TV, say I just want the inspiring monthly TV plan show, no problem. It's $7.99. Now here's where the money comes in for you. If somebody buys something for $99, I want you to look at my face on this one. If somebody buys something for $99, you get $20. You put your link on your Facebook, you put your link on your Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Somebody clicks on it because they like all the value they're getting. You get $20 flat fee. Now, if they buy a recurring revenue thing for $7.99, you get, I think it's two. You get $1 or $2 every month to keep your stuff active. You're going to post anyway. What about posting like this and making money? I told a friend of mine a few minutes ago, I was on another call, and I said, I'm at the point in my life where everything I don't do doesn't generate recurring residual revenue. Why am I doing it? Why am I doing it? Because I want to work smarter and not harder. And I know we've all heard this before, but I'm telling you guys, take advantage of these things. Get your Amazon links. Yeah, they paying pennies on the dollar. But if somebody go buy something from Amazon, why don't they buy it through you? Right? If you got somebody you referring to a thing, shouldn't they be giving you a referral bonus? I think at this point now, we've come to the point in life to where if we're referring somebody and saying you should use this product or service, that product, service, or company should say, thank you. Here's how we're going to reward you. Not just thanks and keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? And whether that means that you are going to have credits with that company, right, for something you're already using. Like if I got a referral for all the people that I told to use ChatGPT or Leonardo AI, I wouldn't be having to pay $20 a month for it. I'd be set. But they don't give you a referral. They're like, we don't really need your referral. We stand on our own. I get it. That's cool. But as for us over here at OnStagePLUS, Success Driven, we're giving you referrals. So if you want to join, please join us. Join the Reseller Alliance. It don't cost you nothing. As we get programs, products, services, everything in there, sign up. I like this. You don't have to promote it. You can promote it. But when you do promote it, somebody buys it, you get paid. I mean, damn. And if you say, oh, that's too much trouble, well, you know what? I can't help you. Because you're going to have to put in some effort for something to get something. That's just the way it is. But I know I'm not talking to you because I know you're not like this. But I've seen some people who don't want to do no work but they want maximum return. There's a song that came out probably a year or so ago, and it said, "Why money ain't free? Why can't they just give it to me? I don't want to work for nobody. I just want to be me." And I was joking, but believe me, some people got that attitude where they just want to sit back and they just want to work. They don't want to work, they just want to get paid for being beautiful. And unless you are well known, unless you're some kind of influencer, people go pay you for being beautiful. Trust. You got to go out there and do something. Now, this one, we're not asking you to sell. We're asking you put up your link so we can contact your family and send us all your emails. We don't want all that. Post the link in your social media. Somebody buys, you get paid. It's simple as that. I need to keep this simple and keep it moving, people. So that's all I want to say on that, because I thought it was really important to do that. If you don't have a camera that can scan the QR code, no problem. I get you. If you're like, David, I can't type all that in. It's moving too fast. I know it's been on the screen forever, but I can't. Just DM me. Put reseller, and I will send you the link. David, I don't want to fill out nothing. I just want free money. I can't help you. But if you're like, I'll fill it out, I'll post it. Well, now we in business. Okay? So just think about it, you guys. Just do it. Damn, And I know, I'm sorry. I know you're not the kind of person that lags. I know you're not the kind of person that misses opportunity. I know you're not the kind of person that lets things pass you by and you jump on it when you see something that's good. That's why I'm putting it out there, because I know you're that kind of person. You're not the person that goes, I'm going to try it later. And damn, I wish I did it. Now they closed and they accepted no more reps. I know that's not you. I know that's not you. So here we go. DM me, reseller. Scan the QR code, reseller. Scan the QR code, reseller. Type in the thing, go to the watchbelievebecome.com/OSP reseller and just sign up. It's free. Do yourself a favor, because you will quick, fast, and in a hurry sign up for these Amazon referral things. You sign up for all these companies that will give you $1 or maybe $1.10 when they're selling things for $1,000. What's wrong? What's wrong? So once again, it's $99 for the entire year. That comes to $27 a month, and you get $20 on that. I guarantee you, if Amazon was selling something for $99, they would not give you $20 of that sale price. They wouldn't. And they look you dead in your face and be like, and? So, y'all, do that, okay? I believe in you. I'm about to go out here because I got to work. I got to put out some more links because I believe in the products I'm talking about and services. If you are, once again before I go, if you're a concert promoter, if you are a boutique, if you're a designer, and you're like, hey, I'm trying to get my event promoted, I'm trying to get my concert promoted, my tickets sold, I'm trying to get my products sold or services, inbox me with promoter or boutique and those keywords so I can see exactly what you're talking about, and I will put you on our resale platform so that our resellers can start selling your stuff. All we ask is that you give, it's $1, $2. We're of course giving the most at $20 per sale, but sometimes $1 or $2 depending on the price of what you're selling. And when they push it, when somebody clicks their link, they sell the product, you pay them the $1, $2, whatever it is, and we keep it moving. If you don't have door salespeople that's already making sales to you, this is the greatest thing, because we got resellers. Our team is growing. It's growing. I think I want to say we don't got 100. I think we got about 29 people, maybe 30 people that are actively taking advantage and reselling this and making money. So why shouldn't you be too? Because it don't cost you nothing. All right, I don't say that's all I got to say about that. I will see you guys later. Have a great Sunday and enjoy your day. And remember, DM me if you have any questions. Let's go get this money, y'all, together. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.